Hey guys, today I introduce a combination of Mexican and Japanese cuisine, taco rice. Taco rice is a dish that originated in Okinawa. The word taco means octopus in Japan, but this is tacos means. This is perfectly nutritionally balanced and delicious dish made with meat, lettuce, and tomato. There is no doubt that it is absolutely delicious. Let's make it together! Introduce ingredients. Here's what you need to ultimate taco rice: ground pork, cherry tomatoes, lettuce, onion, garlic, stock cube, curry powder, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, pizza cheese, and rice. So let's get started! First, wash the rice. It's a good idea to rinse it lightly to remove any surface dirt. Then, add 270 ml of water and cook the rice in the rice cooker. Preparing the rice in advance is a good idea since it takes a time to cook. You can also use previously frozen rice for a quicker preparation. It's handy to have frozen rice on hand for recipes like this. Now let's get the other ingredients ready. First, lettuce. Cut the lettuce into the 1 cm wide stripes. Having some green in there makes it look even more delicious. If you soak in the water like this until you use it, the lettuce will have a crispy texture. Next, onion. Finely chop the onion. Cutting it uniform by making both vertically and horizontally incision with a random cut is useful technique. Finally, chop it finely. And you are ready! Next, tomatoes. If you are using a cherry tomato like me, cut them into the quarters as shown. If you are using larger tomatoes, aim for chunk about 2 cm in squares. Now let's make the tacos meat. Ground pork. Start by adding the ground pork. If you want a richer taco rice, you can use the ground beef. It's delicious too. Break apart the meat and cook it both sides. When both sides are somewhat cooked, add the chopped onion and fry on medium heat. Here, you'll also grate the garlic for seasoning. Grating it will bring out the garlic fragrance. Then, mix everything and fry again. When the onion becomes tender, add a stock cube, ketchup, and Worcestershire sauce. Mix everything together. Finally, add the curry powder and mix into the meat. The curry contains various spices that not only enhance the flavor but also add dips to the dish. Having the curry powder on hand is great because it pairs well with many recipes. And our tacos meat will be ready. Now that the rice is ready, let's start plating. Let's arrange them so that they look delicious. The order in what you load them is important. Put the lettuce on top of the rice, followed by the tacos meat. The smell of curry stands out. Then add the chopped tomatoes. There's no doubt that it looks delicious now. However, if you eat this, it will taste even better. That is cheese. Finish it off by sprinkling cheese. And you don't have to heat it because you mix it later. The heat of rice will melt the cheese. Finish!
So let's いただきます。
The classical way to eat taco rice is to mix everything together. Look at this vibrant taco rice. The harmony of flavorful meat, rice, and vegetable is like a delicious symphony in your mouth. Incredibly delicious! Oh, little curry powder with ketchup, and you'll be pure bliss. Give this taco rice recipe a try. Enjoy! Thank you for watching until the end. I'll continue to introduce the Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. See you next time.